I'll introduce some variation of Hiyayakko, chilled tofu. First, here is how to make a sauce that goes well with fried shallots. Squeeze some lemon juice and add it to soy sauce to make ponzu. Store-bought ponzu works too. Add a pinch of sugar and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, then mix. Add chili oil if you like. Thinly slice the green part of a green onion for topping. Fried shallots are available at most Asian grocery stores. According to my family, this is the best way to eat chilled tofu. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds and pour the sauce over the tofu. Add the toppings and the sauce just before serving. Next, let's make hiyayakko topped with chilled shredded chicken. First, place the chicken breast in a microwave-safe dish. Sprinkle with salt and sake and cover. Microwave at 80% power for 3 minutes. Flip the chicken and microwave for another 30 to 60 seconds at 80% power. When the chicken is fully cooked, shred it with a fork. Thinly slice the red onion and toss it with some lemon juice. Soaking sliced onions in water can mellow their bitterness, but using lemon juice helps preserve the vitamin C. Using lemon not only reduces bitterness but also helps keep the nutrients intact. Grate the cucumber and mix it with a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground sesame seeds. Discard any liquid released from the cucumber. Combine soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar to make a Chinese-style sauce. Add the chicken and red onion to the sauce and mix well. Use about half of the chicken. Since a certain amount was needed for microwave cooking, I prepared more, but you can use the rest for salads or sandwiches. On this tofu, I place the red onion around the edges and the chicken in the center. To add a different texture, I topped it with some grated cucumber. Place 100 milliliters of water and a piece of kombu in a small saucepan and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. Let's make homemade Yose tofu. Add nigari to soy milk that's been kept in the fridge. Make sure to use unsweetened soy milk with a soy solid content of 10% or more. Pour the mixture into 4 cups and skim off the foam with a spoon. Putting a lighter close to the surface can also help remove the foam. Cover each cup with plastic wrap and make several holes in the top. Microwave at 30% power for 9 to 10 minutes or until set. To set the microwave to 30% power, press the power button first, then press 3. If your microwave doesn't have a power button, check your manual. Remove the kombu and heat the saucepan. When it comes to a boil, turn off the heat and add dashi powder and soy sauce. Mix the cornstarch with twice as much water, add it to the pot, and stir well before heating. When it boils and becomes a little thick, turn off the heat. After it has cooled down a bit, stir in the masago. Grate the lemon zest. If water gathers on the tofu, discard it. Pour the masago sauce over. Decorate with sliced cucumber. And finish with lemon zest. Adding some mayonnaise on top is tasty too. Finally, let's make Yose tofu with a salad-style twist. Cut the avocado into bite-sized pieces. This one wasn't fully ripe, but it worked fine since it was for a salad. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half crosswise. Cut the lemon into wedges. Gently scoop the chilled Yose tofu and place it on a serving dish. Let's try plating it nicely. How does it look? Tasty? This soft Yose tofu is truly delicious. I hope you give it a try. This tofu salad goes well with the wasabi soy sauce. Dissolve the wasabi first, then pour it over. Adding a squeeze of lemon changes the flavor.